Today we will be showing you how to extract a tape from a half-height quantum LTO-2 tape drive. Please be advised, this is for extraction of a tape from a defective tape drive only. Removing the tape from the drive will not fix a faulty drive, and the drive itself will still need to be replaced. You will start by using a small screwdriver to remove the faceplate, if there is one installed, from the front of the drive. Use the screwdriver to release the two side internal clips for the faceplate, and then carefully pull the faceplate off and set it to the side. Then you will need to remove the top cover. There are 6 screws you will need to remove, 1 in the rear of the top, 3 on the right side, and 2 on the left side. Then, if there are any stickers preventing the removal of the top cover, they will need to be cut or removed as well. Please note, with this model of drive there is no way to rewind the tape into the cartridge. You will need to cut the tape and just remove the cartridge, leaving the remainder of the media on the rear spool. Once the tape is cut, you will need to wind the side gear backwards slightly so the mechanism engaging the deck retracts. You can then use a thin flathead screwdriver on the horizontal gear on the side of the deck and rotate it clockwise to push the deck out and then remove the cartridge. If you are returning the defective drive as a core exchange to the rocket platform, you do not need to reassemble the drive. Simply place the top cover back on the drive and ensure that all screws and other small parts are included in the anti-static bag with the drive before shipping it back to us. If you have any further questions about tape extraction from a half-height quantum LTO-2 tape drive, please reach out to us at support@therocketplatform.com. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.